Good morning folks, 6:30 on the last day. Our last trek is from the hostel to Morvich. Probably the worst sleep of the whole trip was last night. Just the hostel was full and everybody snoring and in and out and what have you. The comfiest sleep, but at least you had a mattress and a pillow, you know what I mean, which is a real luxury. But I'm going to get shifted on. I'm going to go down, get the kettle on for Dave getting up, get some breakfast, and we're going to get on our way. With the forecast, like not bad now. It's dry, it's the main thing. But it's been a great trip. I've loved it, absolutely loved it. Aye, it's been good. It's been good. I think we've still got another 17k under our belt, but looking at the map, it looks to be the most tamest out the 3 days, the 4 days. So here's what. Guys, that's us in Kanban bothy. Not a bad bothy. Actually, it's quite alright. Looks alright, nice and, let's see, only tidy as a bit, but aye, we do a turn, definitely do a turn. That's about, how far is that away from, you get the light, can you see? Oh, just come up for 4k away from the youth hostel. So it definitely do a turn. There's a wee bit of wood in there, but there'd be nothing about the surrounding areas. You'd need to bring your own wood in for the stove. Excellent, excellent. Wow, this is amazing. This is some place. Check out that waterfall. Unbelievable. Very, very highly recommended to come and do this. Hey guys, that's us done. Today's stats were 17.23k, 317 metres ascent, and we were 5 hours to get there. Absolutely fantastic hike. Really enjoyed it. Big thanks again to Robert for helping us out. Obviously it was supposed to be me, Dave, Andy and Paul. Dave, Big Andy pulled out on the Monday. He had too many work commitments. And Paul went down his ankle walking Paddy on the Tuesday. Sorry mate, you would have loved it. You would have absolutely loved it. Same with you Andy, you'd have loved it mate. Anyway, it left me and Dave in a bit of a pickle. But Robert stepped up to come up to this campsite here with me and him last Friday. And what can I say about the hike? Absolutely brilliant. I done the West Highland Way in 2018. This is like the West Highland Way on steroids. It's unbelievable. Really enjoyed every minute of it. The weather was fantastic. I think me and Dave had our waterproof jacket on for all of an hour, which was for 4 days. You can't fault that. You can't fault that. So I'm going to sign off here guys. I hope you like the video. It's been a pleasure completing this Affric and Kintail Way. And if you've managed to watch it this far, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
I'm feeling bold, and somehow I know where I'm going. The first clear day of a cold grey year, and lo and behold, I'm all alone in the dipper on a stone, telling me this is his home. So on I go off the road, don't stand on the toe, jack door in a hole, ramble and roll. So what flies in the eyes again? I think I feel alive again. Oh, going slow. Oh, the sun she glows, dipping my toes